Good afternoon, guys. I do apologize for being late. I had some technical issues with my microphone. It took me about 15-20 minutes to sort it out, but it's fine now. Okay, who is with us? Good morning, Damien. How are you doing? Have you taken any trade today? Yes, I will be going through my trades in a bit once we have enough people to watch. I have made $1,837 to be precise. That's good, Rizwan. Glad that you're coming back. Yeah, OCG could have been a good trade today. Who has joined us just now? We have 4 people watching us right now. Please do leave a comment and hit the like button. And if you are not a subscriber, do subscribe my channel. Yeah, I'm not sure how it would work from phone, honestly. I'd never traded from phone. And especially when there is a momentum, yeah, it's dangerous to play with your phone. Yeah, there will always be opportunity. Something else will come up. Don't worry. Hi, Mason. Yeah, that's good. I hope this stream helps you, and I will be going through my trades this morning. Do subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please, I would request you to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to get the notifications. I come live every morning to review my trades, and if there are opportunities, I do take live trades as well. And thank you very much for joining us, Mason. We have 3 likes, 5 people watching us. I want more likes. Please hit the like button so more people could join us. Your interaction helps others to find this video. And if you can share with your friends, family, please do so. This might help them. So today my Net P&L is around $1,837. I took about 10 trades, which is normally not me, but initially, first thing in the morning, every trade went against me. I didn't make enough money, and some of the trades I lost money. But then I hit SNCA. I spotted it early and got in early, and hence I took almost $2,000 profit from it. But obviously I took some losses from others, and net is $1,837 today. I'll be going through the trades one by one, especially in SNCA, and how I spotted it, and my entry was perfect. I kept taking profit and also adding more on pullbacks. Yes, is one good idea. When I start reviewing it, I would certainly have the chart enlarged so you guys know what I'm talking about. And I also will be talking about some of the stocks which you should take positions in. Something like SENS, TNXP, and then we have ZOM holding well. I am using Dash Trader Pro for my trading, and my broker is Interactive Brokers. Guys, hit the like button. I have only 3 likes. Am I not? Is this stream not helping you? Please show that it's really helping you. Hit the like button. And if you are new, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. This might benefit you. Yeah, OCG would have been really good trade today. Even this morning it was around under $9. And pre-market high is 1326. But as I was up already, I didn't take any more trades. I like to be with patience with my trades. I think OCG could be big today as it's getting momentum. Volume is there, gap is there already, so looks like it's gonna continue rising. So my biggest trade, winning trade, was on SNCA. I took a trade on first pullback as soon as it popped up on my scanner. Can you guys see my trades clearly? These arrows, little arrows? Please do confirm in a comment if you can see my trades. Okay, so let's go. My biggest trade today was on SNCA. I took a position on first pullback around here. It was 192, at 192, 2,000 shares. It continued dropping, so I added some more at 186, 2,000 more shares. And then it happened what it has to happen on such a high momentum trade. It started climbing. I added more here, 2,000 shares. So sorry, 1,000 here, 1,000 there, 186, and then I added 2,000 more around here. So in total I had 4,000 shares. Because it made new high from the previous candle, so I decided to add more. I took profit, first profit here. I sold half the shares, then sold another 1,000 here, and then sold here. So I took profit on 3 stages at 210, 213, and then 227. Then I added more here, 2,000 shares, and added more as it continued, and took the profit for previous 1,000 around here, and then added more, took some profit, added more, took some profit, added more around here, sorry, took profit and then took profit here, and then sold off completely around here. So in total I made around $2,000 from SNCA. I lost on other trades, so net is $1,837. If we go through my trades, I'm not sure, I'm having some technical difficulties today finding my, where is it gone? Why is it not coming up? That is strange. My trades panel is not popping up for some reason. But I downloaded the Excel sheet earlier here. And my P&L took $73 loss, $52 loss, $14 loss, took a very tiny profit on BBI, 235, 1741, and NEOS 50, 1250, 15. Very small trades. There was no movement, so I just come out. I wasn't sure that whether it's gonna go up or down, so I rather close my position than risk it. 10, 11, nothing much. £1, $1.21, 72 cents. Then I took some loss on final shares. 75 cents, $1.25, 50 cents, 7 cents, 175, 18 cent, $18. And then SNCA happened. $420 profit, 330 profit, 305 profit, 202 profit. And then added some more here, as I explained on the chart as well. 133, 75 profit, 141, 88, 120, 94, 125, 47, and 25 final sale when I sold everything around here because it was breaking even. So just 25. These were my trades, guys, and I hope you could learn from this that how pullback works and how you can keep adding and taking off the profit off the table. Hi Nargis, how are you doing? Have you taken any trade today? After being beaten yesterday, yeah, I took a loss of $421 yesterday, but today obviously taken good profit. It's all about, in the end, if you are green, that's what matters. It's not about on daily basis. Your losses must be less than your profits. And if you can do that, manage your trades well, in the end, you will be in profit. Thank you, Irfan Ali. I agree with you, Damien. Yes, NFTs are in at the moment. I think this week has been about NFTs. Even though when I spotted OCG climbing, it was under $6. If we bought and held it, it would have been good swing trade, but missed the opportunity on that side. No worries, there would always be another opportunity. So today, so far, the lead gapper now is with volume. If we talk about NEOS, that's the lead gapper, and OCG with volume 6.5 million, 25 million on NEOS. SINO is also climbing. Damien, is SINO also NFT play? By the looks of it, I'm not sure. Let me check. No, actually, it's a recovery stock. So as the economy is opening, stocks like SHIP, TOPS, SNCA, sorry, SINO will keep climbing up. And I think they don't seem to have any news, but I guess if economy is opening, they would be going up. If we analyze the chart, weekly chart on SINO, if a new company, they're making new highs. They have been climbing from under $5 last week to over $10, $11 now. So they were at $4 just 2 weeks ago when the man crash happened. Nice recovery. Oh, okay. Yeah. Hence the hike, hence the pop. So yeah. You see, news is quite important. If you catch the news early, or at least if the stock is coming up on your scanner, you should take advantage of, like I did. As soon as I saw SNCA this morning, I caught it right there, right here on first pullback, and that is exactly what everybody should be doing, looking at the scanner constantly, finding the opportunities. There will always be opportunities through scanners, so your scanners should be running all the time right in front of you. And I usually go by, sometimes I check low to high percentage, so it gives me an idea that which stock is climbing. Yeah, this is parabolic move. This is simply parabolic move. Yeah, it won't stop there. I don't think so it will. And I might take a position on next pullback. Congratulations, Damien. That's the way you scalp. Yeah, that's really good. As soon as you see your price target, take it and run. Don't look back unless you see another opportunity. So Dash Trader has its own scanners. Mohammed Ali is asking which scanners. So I only rely on Dash Trader scanners. They have built-in scanners. So I have two scanners, NYSE gainers and NASDAQ gainers. So I have these scanners running all the time. I see stock as soon as it pops, especially if it's around here or here. I spot it and just look at the chart. If volume is enough, I just jump in. I mean, I missed OCG. It should have been under there somewhere. But yeah, I missed it. I was just busy with sorting my live stream. What do you reckon, Damien? This could be next Mara? OCG? I think it could be next Mara. MARA. If you know, if you have been following stock trading and stocks, you know, when we started talking about Mara, we had Mara for under $5. Yeah, I have the feeling chart pattern is pretty much similar, and yeah, it's looking big. I would advise, if you can take a risk, guys, take a smaller position, a position which you can manage. I don't have a position in OCG, but if it pulls back, I might take a position, small position. Because if it's Mara or right, it could end up like $60, $70, $80. And we know what happened with RIOT and Mara. Let's analyze what happened with Mara. So we go weekly. You wouldn't believe this, but we had Mara around here, around this candle, under $6. And some of us took loss as well on it. And I'm sure the person is also watching us right now. But anyways, I sold around $10 for small profit. I thought it's done. It's way over two stretch, because if you look at it, last year August it was under $1. So then it did its thing, since Bitcoin really made new highs from $13,000 to almost now $60,000. At some point last week it hit $61,000. And as these are mining companies, Bitcoin mining companies, so they followed Bitcoin as well. So it just kept climbing and climbing. And at some point it was around $60. And right is another example. Apologies, guys. So if we look at RIOT, similar chart, look at this. It was under $6 in December last year, literally 3 months ago. And it started climbing with Bitcoin. And at some point it was trading around $80. It fell to $33 during the last 2 weeks crash, 3 weeks crash, and I think it would have been a good entry. It did climb to $67 from 34 to 67, which would have been a good move if you took the trade. But I was stuck with my swings. I woke up with a big loss on swings. So I'm still holding them. They are long-term investments, probably from 6 months to 10 years. They are my retirement plan, so I'm not bothered about them. Yeah, SHIP is working really hard. Same goes for CTRM. Both are really good. Yeah, crypto is going to be a big thing, honestly. I wouldn't be surprised next 10 years the other currencies are wiped out and only digital currencies. If you joined me yesterday, my live stream, you know that I have taken a loss yesterday, $421, and today I took a profit of $1,837 in total. It was higher, but I gave back through Neos and two other trades. So it would have been 2000, somewhere around 2000. But I might take another trade. I don't know. If opportunity comes, good. If not, then I will wait. Just watch the action. I'm not bothered today. You can't make a million on a day unless you have a million to trade with, or maybe 10 million actually. As you guys may know that trading is all about risk management. So if you could manage risk well, your losses are less than your profits, you will end up in profit. And how your losses will be less than your profits, it's all about stop loss. Whether it's hard or soft stop loss, you must have a trading plan. If you don't plan your trade before you enter a trade, you wouldn't know what to do, when to take profit and when to take loss. So you're basically leaving an open trade, and without a plan, trade always go wrong. Most of the time, couple of times you might get lucky if trade goes in your favor, but most of the time it ends up really nasty. So you must have a trade plan. And for trade plan, your entry is important, your stop loss, and profit taking. What stages you would take profit. So for me, if I take 4,000 shares, I would normally have, before taking trade, I would know what's my target. Normally I take at 20 cents, then 50 cents, and then 70 cents. I sell in 3 stages. And if it continues to rise, I would buy more on pullbacks. Like for example, this one, if I took a trade around here, this is OCG, I would have taken a trade around here on this candle, 1064. I would have sold it. Yeah, this was a 5 minutes candle, so which has already made the higher from this point. So I would have taken first profit here, pulled back, I would have added more here, and then sold some around on this candle and some on this candle here, and then would have added more, then sold some here and then here, and added more around here. So it's all about you managing your trade. Trade is a living thing. You can't just enter and just watch the screen. You have to do something. You have to adjust your trade according to the chart movement. If you don't, then you are leaving your trade on mercy of market, which market is not your friend. Probably the biggest enemy you could have financially is market. If you don't actively watch and manage your trade, you can get burned big time. As I said, you can get lucky a couple of times, but most of the time it ends up really bad. And we have only one viewer right now. Where is everyone? Where have you gone? We have 14 minutes to the bell, guys, and let's see what happens. I think some of them will pull back, and because they are way too overstretched. Maybe this will pull back. How come we have only one viewer? That is so strange. Where is my team? Where are you guys? Are you taking any trade? I have been watching since, and I'm waiting for it to drop below 3, so I will just we have 10 minutes to the bell, guys. Market overall today is red, but it can turn green very quickly, like what happened yesterday. Yeah, OCG could be big. It could be big. Even though I mentioned it about 3-4 days ago, I didn't take position in it. I should have. So on OCG, you took 30 shares, right? And you're making good profit on it then, if your average is 11 something. It's fighting over Vtvt, so let's see. Looks like it's gonna climb back up. Seven minutes, guys. Yeah, I usually stay away at market open. I just watch the action, let the market reveal itself, and then take a trade if I am confident enough. I'm already up on the day, so I don't need to risk it. I don't like giving my profits back. If I take loss, I take loss and come back next day. If I make profit, I still keep it and come back next day. Because basically what happens is if you keep trading on the same day, you could end up losing more because you have this emotional aspect of it now and added pressure to make more money or cover your losses, and that is a killer. Sometimes you would, most of the time you would end up losing even more if you start revenge trading. So at some point you should be grateful what you made and just walk away. 5 minutes to go. Will it turn green today? Because yesterday maybe it would be history repeating. I have my order around here, so let's see if it falls. Since I really want to get in, if it doesn't, then I will take a starter position above 3 and then add more if he decides to fall back. This is, for me, it's a swing trade. I already took profit once before he dropped, but yeah, I would like to hold it for long. Guys, keep the comments coming. Hit the like button. I only have 3 likes. I don't understand why. I had at some point 7 people watching me. So at least there should be 7 likes. Two minutes to go, and let's get ready for the action. Looks like SINO is looking much stronger than OCG, but let's see what happens. It has pulled back nicely. I'm not sure if you could hold these levels. Maybe yes. Level 2 looking good. I don't take any trade at open because it's extremely volatile and you could get burnt pretty bad. "20 seconds to go, guys." Most traders will be looking at OCG and SINO. Here you go. That's why you should stay away from when market opens. You don't know where it would be heading, and it happens so fast that you don't get chance to get out of your position. And even if you have stop loss, it might never get triggered. The action might be so fast that it will just drop. You will never get a chance to sell. Important level 1250. Tech is turning green nicely. Has anyone taken any trade? If so, please do share your story. What have you traded, and what was the outcome of the trade? First pullback, and I think it's making new high now. It's gonna make, but maybe it will be pushed down by, okay. Evol is getting some attention. Whoa. That is something. Halt. Oh, trading paused on Evol, guys. Yeah. Evol circuit breaker, guys. Could it be big? It can be. Let's see what happens. LKCO, as expected, is moving fast. We are long on LKCO. We have 2,000 shares for a swing. Long-term investment, kind of 6 to 12 months. would definitely recommend this. This is gonna go at least 4x your money. $5 soon. Cents $5 soon. SENS. Zoom at least $4 soon. So if you don't have any positions, I would recommend. I have positions in them. I would recommend highly to have a position in them. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before taking any position or any trade. Do not blindly follow me or my trades. It's still fine. Green is green. SINO basically reversed too fast, so I wasn't expecting that. It happened. I think all the attention right now is on EVOL and also NEOS. Please watch it. It's quite important. It's getting some traction. NEOS could be going parabolic, guys. Because EVOL is halted, most of the traders are coming on NEOS. EVOL could resume in 45 seconds. Guys, EXPR might be taking off, so is TOUR, TOUR. Check those stocks. Will last 15 minutes by the looks of it. Looks like market will turn green. this is climbing and VXS is going down. Where is our baby? Neo. Neo is at good entry, honestly. I am waiting for it to go under $40. If it does, then I would be taking at least 500 shares of it for long-term investment. I took profit once before, just after it crashed. The market crashed around, I think it was 3 weeks ago. Yeah, on this crash here. My average was $39 and I took profit of $52. As I mentioned, Tour got attention. About 3 minutes ago, I said it will take off, and it has. Yeah, you could have easily picked it up right here when I mentioned last time. And also check EXPR as well. It's I just got an alert that it's going mad, and it is going mad. Yep. Easily 30-40 cents scalp. Tour might have some sort of news. Let me quickly check. Okay, it should resume in 40 seconds. Evol should resume in 40. Yeah, okay, got it. Oh my god, can't believe this. And guess what? I had 4,000 shares of it as a swing, but I think I should take some profit around here. Wow, that is impressive comeback. I am gonna sell rest of it. I still have 1,000 shares. I'm gonna get out completely. Okay, I'm out. My trades are not working. Let me close my window and then come back. I need to check what's happening. I'll be back in a moment. I don't know what's happening. I just checked my P&L and I'm up $4,115 to be precise. And thanks to my swing from Evol. I sold too quick, but I'm happy. I'm more than happy today. I'm more than happy. My average was around here. 429 for 4,000 shares. So I am so happy that I kept it. I didn't sell at loss. Yeah, I know it's going to keep climbing, but it's fine. It's absolutely fine. We can't actually sorry, I didn't realize that my screen wasn't visible. So I'm losing on my swing trades, $700 on one and 600 on the day, but I am on my trading. I am up $4,115 today. Very impressive. I'm glad that I kept Evol. I had 4,000 shares around 423. Here I bought two. That was for swing. I had feeling that it will pop at some point, but if it didn't, I would have taken probably a loss of $500. I'm glad it paid off. So that's why sometimes you have to hold a stock to really let it work itself out. Yeah, I'm glad that this trade worked out really well. That's it, guys. I hope this has helped you guys today in some ways. If it did, please do like this video and also share it with your friends and family. They might find it helpful. My last trade, it was swing trade. I was going to hold it, but I knew this is going to pop. I was holding a small bag on it, $500, but at open, just after open, it popped, and it popped really good. My average was around 423, and all morning it was just going up and down, and I didn't sell. I kept those 4,000 shares, and there you go, boom. I took profits a bit too early, but it's fine. I'm happy. I end up with $4,115 profit, which is absolutely great. Some people make this money in 2 months or some 3 months. So if I could make that money in a day, absolutely grateful that I'm able to do that. Not many people can do this. Hi Toya, how are you doing? Yeah, just to update everyone, I'm up $4,115 on the day. I was up 1,837 earlier, but one stock paid off, which was Evol. Evol popped. I was expecting it, but not that big. It did pop to over $5, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting probably it's gonna go up to here, 479 or 480, and then it will start selling off, but it went right to 561. If I sold it right up here, I would have come out probably $6,000 or $6,500 in profit, but I'm glad $4,115 profit. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you very much, guys, for supporting my channel, and I would ask you to like this video and also share it with your friends and family. Somebody might be able to find this helpful. I do come live every morning. Do let me know if you have taken any trade today, and if you did, what was the outcome? Did you make any profit? What was it? For me, the story is simple. I took multiple trades. For some reason, I'm finding it difficult to bring my trades window up. I don't know where it's gone. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's here, right here. Sorry. Strange. Thank God I found it. Okay, so guys, let me go through this. Okay, so I end up taking some really good profit end of the day. Evol 1675 on first sell, second 647, and Evol again sold for 496, 597. I took small losses on NEOS 295, 157 and 157. Absolutely fine. Where you make losses, you win as well. And in total, if I just export this, let's see what's my net balance today. Export. So my net is actually 4,147, but minus fees and the commissions, $4,115 to be precise. Absolutely cracking day today. I'm so glad. After losing yesterday $421, I was a bit down. Usually trades work out in my favor. I have 99% of winning trades. Yeah, so yeah, happy. Let me know what trade did you take, if you took any trade or not, and if you did, what was the outcome. Toya, you must press that bell icon so that you get the notification when I come online. When I come live, you must press subscribe and also hit the bell icon, and you would get the notification when I come online and review my trades, and as well as take some live trades as well. Yeah, I'm glad that I held on to Evol. It worked out really well. I mean, nearly 4,000, nearly $3,000 profit from it, which is absolutely good. Vtvt, guys, is getting some attention. Have a look at it. Vtvt, I'm long, big long on it. I have 7,000 shares, and my price target for this is $6.50. If it hits $6.50, I will be coming out nice and healthy $20,000 profit. I will keep you updated on that. I'm not selling it. I will keep it as long as it takes for me to come out $20,000 from Vtvt. They have a really strong pipeline, and hopefully they will have some positive data next few months. And I'm seeing them over $4 or $5 within the next 3 to 4 months. It's a long swing for me, probably 6 months to 12 months. I have missed on GVU. People who are in my private group, they know I have shared my trades. GEVO, I had 15,000 shares at 89 cents. 89 cents. GVU, this stock. And I sold for $3,000, $4,000 profit, a quick profit. And then what happened? Stock went to 15.63. Had I kept it, if I kept those 15,000 shares, my gains would have been $215,000. $215,000. It's all about patience. When you get in a good company, hold on to it. Don't just take quick profits. You don't know which company will give you next $250,000. So I sold it too quick for a quick profit, $4,000 I think it was. I don't even remember. I bought it in October or October last year. September 23rd to be precise, yeah. And I sold it for quick profit. And every time I look at this stock, I just open my calculator and say, okay, I had 15,000 at 89 cents. Now it's $15. How much money I would have made? And I just then pull my hair. What have I done? So yeah, if you find a good company and you entered well, hold on to it. You don't know which company will pop. And same goes with EH. EH, I had it at $18. $18, nearly around here. And I sold it on first pop around here for 30 or 35, because that's what I have been saying to in my private group, that no, this stock is worth $35. And that's where I sold. I came out. But guess what? As soon as I sold, I never got a chance to buy it again. And it went to $130 per share. $130 per share from $18. I had 500 shares of it. 500 shares. And had I kept it, 500 shares times 130, that would have given me nice and healthy around $60,000 profit. Matter of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 weeks. In 6 weeks, $60,000 profit. Not a bad deal at all. But yeah, it's all about patience. I learned it hard way. I left almost, God knows, probably 500,000 on table. Like LKNCY. Everyone knows in my private group that I was making $45,000 on this one. $45,000 here. And then all of a sudden, one morning I woke up to $15,000 profit. And I sold it. So sometimes you should know what profit is enough for you and what isn't. Knowing the potential in company, you must understand that, you know, when to take profit and when not to come out completely. Wow. Yeah, look at this. Literally Monday it started under $5. $3.90 it started. Monday, this Monday. This Monday it started under, oh my God, I can't believe this. $3.90. No, actually Monday, today is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, Monday it opened $3.88. Oh my God, I can't believe this. From $3.88 to $40. Imagine if just buying 100 shares or 200 shares, or I'm sure $3.88, probably 500 shares, risking what, $2,000? and then selling it at probably $30. $1,500 could have turned into $15,000. Well, in 4 days. Knowing the play, yes, I know Damien has been mentioning it for days now, 3-4 days. And I'm sorry, Damien, I ignored you. And here it is. Money left. This was easy play. Can't believe that left this stock. Since I have a feeling that it will come down, I'm not moving my order. I will keep it here. I know this company will pop soon. Okay, guys, I think, what do you guys think about today? Have you taken any play? Yeah, I know how it feels, Damien, and it's the worst feeling to know that this stock will go up but not take a position in time, and then next thing you know is stock has gone 500% or 1000%. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is like 10x, and 10x your money in 4 days is just amazing. I mean, if you just have 1,000 invested, $10,000. If you have $10,000 invested, you have $100,000 end of the day. And this is just you have to spot these opportunities. There is money to be made. Is how quickly you can spot these opportunities. That is quite important. We have LMAO IPO today and PCT IPO. I can't believe this is how this stock has played. I took profit. I'm very happy that the last lot I sold right here, right before it started making its way down. And just look at it from this candle onward, all it did is just going down and down and down. So you must know when to come out if it's not working. Of course, I made good profit from this this morning. But I'm just mentioning that if there is a reversal, you need to understand when exactly the stock has reversed. Yes, that's what I have been explaining, Toya, that never ever completely get out of a stock unless it's a momentum stock, which you can always be at risk if you, unless you have a hard stop loss in place or stop loss in place and you're watching that stock. Yes, you should always leave some of your position in stock, because you never know when it continues to make new highs. But as I mentioned before, that trade isn't a dead thing, it's a living thing. You must manage it on constant basis. You can't just simply enter and leave it and watch. No, you can't do that. If you do that, then you could leave yourself vulnerable and on the mercy of market, which isn't good. And market is not your friend at all. It's your biggest enemy. You could be burnt pretty bad and pretty quick. it's a recovery stock. It will recover as soon as economy starts opening up. It will recover. But if you're holding back, I would recommend maybe average down. Did you take a trade or you invested in it? You see, you need to understand one thing, that before you enter or open a position, you must know that why are you entering this stock? Is it you want to hold on to this stock for a long time, or is it a day trade? Never ever let a day trade turn into a swing trade, because you will be holding a bag for a very, very long time. Because let me tell you something. Here is a prime example. This morning, this stock made a move this morning, and if you bought it around here or here, thinking that this will continue going up, and you got caught on this candle and you never sold, and you're losing, let's say, 20% of your money, and you don't take that lost 20%, what is going to happen is it's going to continue going down, and your losses will be going higher and higher, and it will be painful to take those losses, because it's easier to take $100 loss than $1,000 loss. So I would recommend, if number one, when you take a trade or open a position, you understand why you are getting into this stock. Is it just a quick scalp, or a day trade, or a swing trade, or a long swing, or it's an investment? You must understand. And once you have that, then only then you analyze the chart. Because if it's a day trade and quick scalp, you don't give a damn about a company or how they're doing, or what's what. You only look at chart, you look at the chart movement, you look at the indicators, and if everything is in your favor, you take a trade. If it goes against you, you come out, you wait for another opportunity. But if you are swinging it, you must analyze the chart on a weekly or daily basis. So you can't look at 5-minute chart and take a 4-week swing. You can't do that, because you will not get full picture. I mean, if I look at this chart on weekly basis, I know that, okay, let's turn this into a weekly chart. Yeah. So if you look at this weekly chart, we know this stock made a big move somewhere in last year January, right? And then it climbed from $1.31 to $4.09, and after that it just went down and down and came down all the way to what? To 54 cents. And we know the floor for this stock is 54 cents, because it has hit 54 cents here, it has hit 54 cents here, and then again here. And since November, it has been climbing up steadily. Pulled back because of this this crash happened, a mini crash happened 4-5 weeks ago, and then started making its way up. But if you took a trade right here, 260, and now it's making its way down, it will come, probably pull back to around 150 and then curl up again. You need to understand, you need to get a full picture of the stock you're getting into. The reason I sold and bought on many places is because I found support and resistance on different levels. Yeah. And if you analyze daily chart, you would know why I took profits and why I added more when I added more on breakouts and also breaking the resistance. So always understand what you're getting into. And I always look at, basically I start from the top and come to bottom. I drill down. I start with the weekly chart, then go to daily chart, and then go to 60-minute chart, and then come to 30. And that's how I get a full picture where this stock is heading. It only takes probably 2 minutes to do that, to get a full picture. And mostly from weekly and daily chart, you get a clear picture that, what's the floor and what's the highest point of the stock. So finding support and resistance is quite important, and it's quite important you do that before you enter a stock. I mean, if you look at this stock, most of the time it stayed between 54 cents and 108, and when it broke 108, it started climbing up all the way to $2, and today it broke that level and went up. And if you notice, I bought here 3 orders, 1 2 3. I sold here because of this resistance and sold another one, and when it continued I sold another lot because I knew it's way too stretched on this side here, because I already had drawn these levels on weekly chart. So once you draw these levels on weekly chart, you would know at what point you need to take some of the profits off, because potentially the stock can start making a way down from those points, and you must understand those levels. Yeah, this was way too overstretched, so if you see my orders there, sell orders were pretty fast. That's why you must have your weekly chart analyzed before you enter a trade, so you know that you have drawn the levels and you would take profit right on time, not too early, not too late. I will be back, guys. Give me a couple of minutes. Hi guys, I'm back. Which stock you entered, Toya? Yes, with day trades you can't, okay, you must take profits on on pops. You can't just wait around unless there is a clear momentum, and for that to you should know the momentum, how it works. Basically, if you look at and this is how I would find out whether there is enough momentum or not. You need to look at your chart candle, your price candle, and also the volume candle. Volume candle is red, but let's say on this one I took a trade right here. The reason I took trade right there is because it was first pullback, and momentum is clear. You can tell momentum from here onwards. This was green candle, volume, and then a bigger volume candle, green, and then a bigger green volume candle. So I knew that, you know, the volume is getting bigger, and also it's on the buy side. There are so many buyers around. And then this was a bigger volume candle, green candle. So which made the stock go higher and higher and higher. Okay. And then this candle started red. Yeah. And volume candle was red and RSI started pointing down. So I came out completely. And the confirmation was right here that my decision over there was completely good decision and good red candle, volume candle, red volume candle, and then huge red volume candle. Continue dipping. Let's look at another example. Let's say evol. Evol before pop, if you look, there's no hardly volume candle. If we go on a bigger chart here, not enough volume. Yeah. Less than 100,000 probably. I can't even tell. Yeah. The volume on this one was 64,000. Yeah, 64K. And then we get a green candle. Yeah, much bigger than that. And volume on that was 385. What does that tell you? That tells you that buyers are now getting in. And look at it. RSI right here was 38. And all of a sudden RSI jumped to 48. Again, relative strength index is very powerful index pointing upwards, and as soon as you see that and big volume candle, and even though this was a bigger red candle, but it came back down quickly because it was open at open, but straight away you saw that it went right, you know, it ripped through there, and you see exactly what happened with the volume candle right here. It's green red candle, and the reason I sold here because I saw a red volume candle and it just came out before it was too late. So you need to understand that, you know, you need to work together with these indicators: Vtvt, moving average, and also volume candles and RSI. These four things you must understand as a package. CTRM. I don't know if it was in play anyway, but let me check. I don't know why would you enter this stock. There is no momentum, no volume. It's always go on your scanners if you have and check where is the momentum. and you must buy on momentum. WNW, I don't know if you know the history on this stock. Guys, again, it has popped on my scanner, and it could be big. It could be big again, once again. We know what happened from $5 to $160 back in December, sorry, it was. So it could be big again, once again. Not sure, but worth taking a position. It was 15th of December, 16th of December, and 17th of December. Went from just under $7. It went right to $160. We saw the action, we were in it. I made some profit, but not a lot. Some became millionaires and some got basically bankrupt. Alright guys, I think I'm done for today, and I hope you liked the content today and my review on the trades and how I have done them. I hope you found these helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you really want to understand how I did it, I would advise you to watch the video, full complete video, so you know how I do it and you can replicate it. But again, I would say do not follow me blindly. Always do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor or legal advisor, so this stream or this video is only for entertainment purposes, and maybe you could learn something from it. I would again ask you, if you are not a subscriber, please do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get the notification on time for my live streams and also the video I will be publishing. I'm working on tutorial videos, how to become a consistent and successful trader from scratch. I mean, even if someone does not have any experience and this is the first time they're hearing word stock trading, they would be able to take trades within after watching those videos, and comfortably. Please do share the channel with your friends and family. It might help someone, and it also helps me grow this community. So thank you very much for joining me today, and have a good afternoon, and please be safe. If you trade, make sure you know what you're doing and you have done all your due diligence before taking a position. Take care, guys.